Tanggalin muna natin siguro to.
Gamit. Basta magamit yan.
Sige, nandyan yung gamit ko. Dito pa eh.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And treat myself at the spine. Don't overthink it, baby.
Ito yung bracket. Bracket sa paa.
Baby,
Dalawang bracket.
give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my life. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Wala na pre.
Bakit siya gamit ko? Yan, yan, tulong mo yan.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Ito, bunuto natin ito pre.
Don't leave me here high and dry.
Buto sa ano
Baby,
ito.
you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Screwdriver pre. Screwdriver pre.
Ha?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver ba?
Tsaka allen wrench.
Diyan talaga yan, pre. Phillips screw?
Phillips screw. Tsaka allen wrench. Yung allen wrench, nandun yata sa barina. Sa araw na ito mga kaping ay mag-kapit kami ng flat screen TV. Ito yung stand niya. Ito naman yung mga bracket.
baby, you give me ice
Ito naman
and
yung mga
fire.
screw.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Remote.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Alin rinse pre.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,